Okay, still in LaGrange. This is lot 105. It's a 2005 Wildwood, or by made by Forest River. This is a long unit, big unit. Walking around, trying to look for things. This unit does not have a pull out. It does have stabilizer jacks. Nice big window over here, hot water heater there. Again, this unit was used for office space. They were adding on to their facilities. It's never been used for camping as far as anybody can trace back. Okie dokie, we are inside unit 105 now. This is your front sleeping area. It does have sliding doors, as you can hear, for privacy. This is your kitchen area, sink, microwave, oven, refrigerator, freezer. Place to hook up your TV for cable or satellite. Does have a kitchen area that will, not kitchen area, but table area that will drop down into a bed, or you can use the couch and it will also fold out into as a bed, what I can tell. This does have 2 bunks in the back. And does have, there's your vanity area right here. I'll give you a shot looking forward. This is the end of lot. Oh, by the way, point out one thing. The cover for the air conditioning unit is missing. Plastic cover. Okie dokie. That's the end of lot 105.